one. So next half an hour, so I would kind of address Damila's question, which is what I wanted to discuss anyway. Now, like I said, you now know how to set up automations framework from scratch, right? You need to now redo it now because this what Oyin has given to you is not what you need to do. Oyin has used one website, right? And that website was developed for the purpose of testing, for the purpose of training rather, right? Because that website has got everything that you can see in a normal website. You can see, if you look at that website, you can see it doesn't make sense. We just put everything, drop down text and everything on that website so that when you go out, you will not say, I don't know how to do this, I don't know how to do that, because on that particular website that Oyin used, actually it's got everything that you can see on a website. So now what you need to do now is to create a new framework from scratch, right? But this time around, right, use your application, right? Take a story from your application. It could be like, for us, start with just clicking the menu, right, within your application, right? So, and you have other stories in sprint one. Sprint one was just selecting the menu. And you can see Oyin actually did a assertion, right, where she asserted the element, right, the message that was displayed. So you can do the same thing as well, right? So let's start with menus, right, which is what we did as sprint one. Create a framework that asserts all the menus, confirming the menus are displayed. And if you want to push it ahead, right, you can now create one that also assert the text as well. And I know that Oyin didn't do that, but she mentioned that as well. Anyway, she mentioned that, yeah, I can assert the element on the control, right? And she could also assert the text. She didn't do the text one, right? Which I know maybe she will do next time anyway. So, but you can look into this, right, as an exercise. What I'm asking you to do now, go to your board, right? Create a story, right, for automation testing for menus, okay? And by the time, maybe next week, right, hopefully I will be able to join this session as well. I want to see those, right? Is that clear? Any question? Because you guys are now automation tester now, okay? You are now automation gurus.
Sorry, Deji, it's not clear. You
Okay, all
want us
right.
to
I will go
use?
back again. Can you share your screen? Anyone? Can anyone share their screen? Yeah. And go to MentorSkid. Okay, thank you. Can you expand it for us, please? Okay, thank you. So now, as you can see here, right? So, okay, cool. Thank you. So now in sprint one, right? One of the stories that you worked on is validating the menus, right, manually, right? Confirming that there's home, there's about us, there's find mentor. You confirm that in sprint one manually, right? So what you could now do, right? Okay. So I don't mind you using this particular framework that you've done, but it'll be good to start from scratch, right? So that you can know the process again, right? So maybe you use that one to do your documentation as you go along, okay? But if you decide to use this, what you need to do, Damnola, is to right-click on the feature file, please, okay? Right-click on that feature file menu, okay? Create a new feature, right? A new file. And call it menu.feature. Okay, enter. Yeah. So here now you will put giving and navigate to MentorSkid when yeah, maybe that's the only thing. So when on the website, well, when I click on, or when I inspect, anything that you want anyway, the menu should be, I think it's not going to be, it's maybe just to give you a navigate, and I can confirm, because this, I don't think there's anyone in there. Yeah, I can confirm the about us is displayed, or do you get it now? Or you can even go forward and say, when I click on about us, the about us page is displayed, right? That will be good. Giving a navigate to prep MentorSkid, when I click on about us, right, then about us page should be displayed. That's what I want, right? Then you kind of implement that for all the menus, giving I also do the same thing for the find mentor, contact us, login. It's simple. It's really simple. Just do the same thing anyway. So for sign up and everything. So you have 4 or 5 menus, or 6 actually, 6 menus. So that will be normally, right? There's a better way to do it, right? I don't mind you, because of what you know now, to create menu, about us, menu, contact us, a one feature file, because that's what you know now, right? But as you go along, right, you're going to learn how to merge them together. I think it's also possible to do that anyway. So copy feature and put it and say menu, right? Type menu, okay, and press enter. And then giving I navigate to MentorSkid. Okay, yes, sorry, scenario. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So now the first scenario is about us menu. Okay. And you can remove the menu anyway, because it's, you can just say about us. So MentorSkid, yeah. Okay. No, when this has to be when I click on about us menu. Then the menu page is displayed. Sorry, the about us page is displayed. You can put that in a new file. I'll let you do that later anyway. So hold on. Yeah, okay. You can put that on a menu file.
This is what I was talking about. We need not you can't copy the example code he gave us to. This is what be
You
happening.
can see this works, right? You don't need to copy this fine, right?
No, it's not working.
What do you mean?
He has error.
Oh, okay, all right. So can you do that again? And I think the issue is the Java, right?
That's actually what we were explaining.
Okay, all right.
That was the
So
question she was answering.
go back again to the feature, right, and do another one. No. I mean the feature file. You've created menu. You've only done one, right? So do the other one. All right, click, yeah. Do the then when clause as well.
I don't understand. For
So you've done the given one, right?
okay.
So you need to do the when because you only done one of them actually. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So put it on. Yeah, that's fine, right? Is that not what you're looking for?
Yes, but she was saying this is not correct.
Yes. Yes, because I think you selected Java 8 or something like that. So as a default, you should have, yeah, moved that out completely. So that's that. I think that's the issue.
Actually, I think the best way to do this is to, like you mentioned before, not to add it to the example for memory and the learning, to start all this afresh, create a new project and everything afresh like that.
Yeah. I'm only using this example so that you know what I'm expecting you to
Okay.
do in terms of the menu. If you go to the menu, right? So if you go to the menu, right? Menu feature, you can fix that one later. You can fix this
Yeah,
one
yes,
later.
yes,
Remove,
that's fine.
yeah. So go to the menu for me, please. The menu feature, right? Right. Okay. Now you've created one for about us, right? Can you copy line 2 to 5 now? No, so yeah, 2 to 5, yeah. And yeah, paste it on line 6 or 7, or just add 2 more spaces. Yeah. Okay. Change about us to let's say home, all right, a home menu. Okay. So this is the home menu scenario for home menu. And then you can change when I click on home menu, the home menu should be displayed. So you do the same thing for the other one. All right. And so, and you can see now, you can see when you copy that, can you see that the giving, right, still remain the same, but eventually it's telling you that you need to create a step definition for the when and the then, because those are different, right?
Yes.
So yeah, so you do the same thing for other, yeah. Okay. All right. Any question on that? So that's what I want you guys to do for a start. Yeah. Let's try to automate the menu. Right. So if you want, you can do other ones as well. When I click on the start as a mentor on the button, or as a join as a mentor on the button, yeah, on this page. So yeah, that this is you now kind of actually automating a real website. Do you get it now? And it's really, really interesting. And I bet some people will not sleep overnight because as automation, it kind of gives you, that goosebump. You just want to fix it, you just want to make it work. When it works, it seems that you are on you're on a blue moon, to be honest. You feel yeah, very, very happy. And it's the joy of automation anyway. So welcome everyone to the club of automation testers. Yeah. Any question? Okay, I will go around to everybody. So, okay, Comfort, any question? Dorcas, any question? Evie, any question? Izu, let's start with this one first. Comfort, Dorcas, Evie. Then the kitchen. Okay.
Oh, no
Izu,
question. No
So
question.
everything is fine. I'm going to see what I ask for next week. Okay.
When do you want this, please?
By next week, Thursday. Okay. Hold on. Someone just left instantly because I wanted to call him. Really? Okay. Kayode. Lanre.
Should I stop recording?
Yeah?
Should I stop recording?
Yeah, you can stop recording. Thank you.